This is the 140 piece professional auto repair tool set design. Here's a closer look. Here's the top section. How to use. So we grab a ratchet. So the back is to loosen or tighten the screw. Make sure to press down to insert and attach the accessories. So you can see this one twists, so you can get different angles. Press down to release. Again, same thing. Press down to insert socket. There are many different accessories you could install. Just make sure to press down. And press down to release. So this is how you choose either to screw or unscrew a device. Here we'll use the extension bar. Make sure to press down. So you can keep adding to get to deep places that are too hard to get to. And this is great for household projects like a door or installing a rack or just a multitude of things. So right here I'm just tightening, and to untying you just press the little lever in the back. And so this is great for automotive repair. You could get at different angles and with all the sockets and everything. You should have a good starter kit. And they're easy to replace and release and change. Hope this video helps you in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.